Okay, so now I'm going to explain the displacement method, and this really isn't the right equipment that you would use, maybe for really small fish, newly ponded pinks. And I would use displacement method if I wanted to measure like larger quantities, or maybe I didn't have a scale at my disposal. So this is another way you can actually pretty accurately weigh fish. And the idea behind this is that 1 gram of fish will displace 1 milliliter of water, okay, that they're equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and count out 10 fish and put them in here, and then it'll raise the water level up to a certain amount, so then I'll know 10 fish equals X number of milliliters. Okay, so let's try that. These fish won't fit in here real well. We're going to see if we can do this. This is going to be tough. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. Alright, put this guy back. Okay, so 10 fish equals about 100 milliliters, actually. Or 100 milliliters equals 10 fish. Okay. So it went from 250 up to 350, and I put 10 in there. You know, I'm going to try counting them out just to make sure that I did that right. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do the math. So on that one, that means it was 10 milliliters, 100 milliliters equals 10 fish, so that means 10 milliliters equals 1 fish, which means 1 fish equals 10 grams, according to that. And I can see that's not quite the same up here at 140 grams and 12 fish, so 140 divided by 12 is 1. Yeah, well, it's about 11 something. So it's off a little bit. 11 grams here on this one. And then 320 is 26, so 320 divided by 26 fish. There's 1 here, 60, so, see, that was about 12 grams, so I'm kind of a little bit over the map here. And then this one looks like it's somewhere in that range, about 10, 12 grams. This is about 12 right here, and this was 10. So I'm a little off, but if you were doing it on a large scale with bigger fish, you would have actually more accuracy. And again, you know, I would always go with the scale system, but sometimes you just don't have it, and sometimes you just want to get in the ballpark. And so displacement will do that to you, for you. It's really good for salmon eggs and a variety of other methods. So those are a few ways. And again, small scale here, I wouldn't normally just be doing 10 or 12 fish. I'd be doing at least 100 times 3 times, being using a little bit bigger containers, but hopefully you got, and the other thing I'll say is when you're doing the random method and you're counting them out, you want to have this. So you want to be standing there with your, usually over a 5-gallon bucket, and you're scooping them out and you're clicking as you go to keep track. Okay? All right, that's it.